Hello and welcome to a new episode how to learn JavaScript from beginner to advanced. In this tutorial I propose to learn you how to use methods with strings, and after this how to use with arrays, because I during this tutorial I will transform a string in array, and after this I I execute the method specifically for array on this array. No, okay, let's see what we have here. We have a variable. uh, the title for this tutorial is string method chaining in JavaScript. uh, String, you can manipulate string using some methods, but if you don't have a method for this string, a good approach is to transform this string in arrays, because once you create an array you have a lot of possibilities, a lot of way for manipulate this array. Here I have a variable result, and I assign it a string hello world welcome to JavaScript, and finally I display this with console log. You see here in the right side, hello world welcome to JavaScript. At the start and at the end I have an empty space. Okay, let's pass to show this method. First method is trim. I have here trim method without parameter. What do this method? Remove white space from both ends and starts from here and here. If I call this function, you will see will disappear this space from start and from end of strings. I execute and you see here disappear the space. It's a good approach if you have forms and the user should to enter in input some data. If you don't have to empty space at the start and at the end, use this trim method, and you will delete the spaces. Okay, how to call this function with dot notation? No, in JavaScript and in other languages, dot notation is a good way, and maybe is the only way. Okay, another method specifically for the strings in JavaScript is toLowerCase, who convert all first letter of word in lower case. Do you see here I have with capitalize each word, but after toLowerCase method, do you see it's now with lower case. Another method for string is replace. This method replace a word from string with other. For example, I want to replace this word with JS, and I use result that replace, and this argument, first argument is the item who want to replace, and the second is the item who replace the this word. Let's see, here should appear hello world instead hello JS, because I want to replace world with JS. Here should appear JS. Let's see, it's okay. Okay, but I know now I want to replace another word JavaScript with coding, and this word, instead this word will appear coding, because I replace JavaScript with coding. Let's see, it's correct. Another method who help you to concat to join two string, or to append another string or another item to your string, is this concat. This concat you can use it with array also, for append and for join to array. I want here to add my string. Now my string is hello JS, welcome to coding. I want to add new item, and here appear new item. Now my string is this: hello JS, welcome to coding, new item. Another method is toUpperCase. toUpperCase is the opposite for toLowerCase, but in this case all letters will be with capitalized. Let's see. Yes. And now come the moment to transform this string into array. For transform a string into array, you use split method and put here an empty string. Okay, what you need for this, for transform a string in array? You transform a string in array because you want to have you would like to have more method for manipulate, no? And you know that arrays have a lot of methods in comparison with string. I use split, and you will see here each word will be an element into an array. Now I have an array A. Starting from this, I will use methods that are specifically for arrays. First is filter. Methods for array in generally, also with that method you have here that variable dot method, and method have a function. It's when you manipulate an array with method, you have a method and a callback where you have a function. Do you see here I have that filter, and I have here a function, no? Filter function, every function, some function, no? It's a good approach to use arrow function because it's short, it's clearly, it's easy to understand. Here I have filter. Filter is a method who choose all element who pass a condition, or who execute a function for each element. We have word. Word is not equal with 2. What I want to do, I want to eliminate all words from my array, from this, who are the value 2. Should to disappear this. Let's see. This should to disappear now, and disappear. Okay, word is not equal with 2, and if I put here filter all word is equal with 2, probably will appear nothing, because now appear just 2, sorry, appear just 2, but I want to filter all element that are not equal with 2. Okay, and 2 disappear, and I receive this. Another method, now I have this array, and I want to use every to console return me all the words from my array who have a length greater than 1. And this every is a method, do you see, also dot every and function. Retain, keep in your mind, when you use array method, you have method and function, method, function, method, function, method, function, 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 now, and this function should to be an arrow function because it's simple way. Okay, let's see what I receive with this every. I receive a boolean value true because all my value from array have more than one letters, but if I put here 10 is false because every check if every word has more than 10, and if I comment here you will see that my condition isn't true because here for example I have 1 2 3 4 5 letters, here 2, here again 6, and my condition should to be false because I put here each. When you use every mean all from the all item from array should to pass a condition, and this is false because not all element pass this condition, not all element have more than 10 letters. Again false, but if I put here 1 it's true because all element from my array will pass the condition. Every check if every, it's simple because every it's all, no, all should to pass a condition. If we discuss about some method, this mean just that just a few element should to pass the condition, at least one should to pass. Okay, let's see, 2 seconds because should to make this, it's true for this because I have here a function where I say check if is a word in array who includes JS, and I have an JS. I will let me to show you. I have this, no, and is true. Okay, here I will use just one by one. Another method is reduce. What make reduce? Return a value from something. It's a good for multiply, for assume, for other, return you a value. Here I want to concatenate word. Let's see. Hello JS, welcome coding new item. And here I put the trim for eliminate space. Another method is sort. This sort alphabetically coding. Hello JS new, it's okay, no? Map iterate through array and execute a function for each element. Here reverse each word individually. First transform into array but is transform, after reverse will appear for welcome new item JS hello in opposite, no, and after this I will join. From the end to start. Okay, let's see again. In first instance, here I have hello, but from the last JS welcome. For each element make reverse, and after join. Find another method for arrays. This execute a function for first word that contain JS, for example here, because I use include. What do find the first word that contain JS in my case, but the first word that correspond for condition from my function. I have here JS. The difference between find and filter is that find found the first element from array, and filter all element from array who pass this condition, who pass a condition. Okay. Index of, find the index of the word JS. Here I have -1 because there aren't. File method, replace word from index 2 to 4 with a word replace 0, 1, 2. Do you see here replace? Okay. Map, I discuss about map. Here I use a function to extract first character of each word. Char at of 0, it's okay. And finally I separate with a line with dash with the join method. Okay, that was all for today. I hope you understand what I say here. All the best, and don't forget to use array method for improve your ability, coding ability. All the best, keep going on.